Today I'm here to show you a long, heat-friendly style from Renau. This is Celeste in the color Toffee Truffle, and we're going to talk all about this style and this color, and I'm going to give you some tips on long, heat-friendly synthetic wigs. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. I would love for you to follow me there. I do post a lot of content in short form on those platforms. Here on YouTube, I do a lot more long form content, wig reviews, tips and tricks videos, and I'm so grateful to Name Brand Wigs for partnering with me on this review. They sent me Celeste so that I would have the opportunity to show her to all of you. I will put some details in the description box, as well as a coupon code that will save you 30% on this and all Renau pieces that they carry. They are a wonderful online retailer, and I highly recommend them. I've been a customer long before I ever partnered with them on reviews. Let's take a look at Celeste from all sides. Make sure I get up on my tiptoes so that you can see all the length on this one. This is definitely a long piece, a long layered piece. But one of the things that I really appreciate about this piece is the density. So let's talk right away about density and permatease and volume, all of those really important things. So on the product listing, it says that this is a medium density piece. If you watch my videos regularly, you know that I don't always agree with the density claims on the product listing. This isn't anything against Name Brand Wigs. I believe that they list what the manufacturer gives them. I have no way of knowing how manufacturers determine density. The one thing I can tell you is that there is no standard. So one company's medium density might be another company's light density, and so on and so forth. So all I can tell you is that this feels very light density to me. You can see when I put this in a ponytail, this is not a thick ponytail. This has no permatease. It is very flat to the head, heavily layered. Even though it's really long, it feels very light density to me. So I would say this is light to medium density. It does not have a lot of volume. It does not have a lot of poof. If you love long styles, but you've been struggling because wigs feel so heavy to you, especially if you've been losing your hair for a long time, I'm hard pressed to think of any long synthetic wig, whether it be heat friendly or regular synthetic, that is lighter than this one. This is very, very natural density. The top of it looks very natural. You can see all the way down to the monofilament, giving it a really realistic hairline, part line. So honestly, if I didn't see that it said medium density at the website, I would say that this is light density all day long. Let's take a look at that lace front up close. They did a really excellent job with this lace front. I will say the lace is long. You can see all that lace right there. For me, that's a little long. I feel as though you can see the lace on me, which can happen sometimes. I think it's a little light for my skin, and because it's so long, to me, I can see it. So what I would do is I would take a pinking shears. That is a scissors with a scalloped edge, and I would trim this lace back. I have a video where I show how I do it and why I do it, and I don't do it on every wig, but many of my synthetic wigs I do because I like the natural. Basically, when you create that scalloped edge, you don't have a hard line on that lace, and it becomes really invisible, especially if it's showing up on your skin prior to doing that. So I'll make sure that video is linked below. I highly recommend you watch it because you never know when you might need that. We have got extended lace ear to ear, a full mono top, so you can part it anywhere that you want on the top. Ear tabs with bendable stays, nice soft material on the extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and the rest is open wefted. Let's talk about fit. This piece is running very, very true to average. It fits me like most Renau wigs fit me. I have an average petite head. My circumference is 21 1/4, and I'm pretty petite actually from ear to ear and front to nape. All of my measurements are in the description box below. This is fitting me big. I've got a lot of extra cap up here. I did have to cinch this in nearly all the way. I would wear this with a wig grip because that's going to give this more security. I always wear a wig grip with my average cap wigs, and then I don't have to worry about adhesive or anything like that. So if you have similar measurements to me, then this is gonna fit you a little big. I think a wig grip will be fine. If you have quite a bit larger measurements than I have, I still think this is going to fit you because it's got a ton of stretch. And all that extra cap up here, I had to cinch it in. So I think this is gonna fit a wide variety of head sizes, and it's definitely not running small. This piece is made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers. Friction is really hard on heat-friendly fibers. This is going to rub up on your clothing a ton, and it does tangle. So I strongly recommend, if you're going to wear longer pieces where the fibers are rubbing up on your clothing, that you carry a wide tooth comb with you everywhere. Plan to comb through it. Honestly, on a length like this, I would try to comb through it, especially at the nape, every hour, because it is going to tangle, and that is going to help mitigate that a lot. John Renau includes wide tooth combs with every single one of their heat-friendly wigs. So if you purchase Celeste or any of their heat-friendly wigs, you will get one of their wide tooth combs with your purchase, and their comb is really my favorite. So just keep that in mind. Also, heat-friendly fibers do need some maintenance different than regular synthetic. I have a video where I talk about that. Before you purchase a long heat-friendly wig, I strongly encourage you to educate yourself. I will link that video below. One of the ways to mitigate the friction on these types of fibers is to style your wig periodically. I love layered pieces like this for ponytails and updos because you've got all of these layers. So if you want to keep some forward and have some face framing, you can absolutely do that, and it will really help it to look really natural. This would be great in a low ponytail. I love to do little twists. And then I stick a claw clip back here and I let the length kind of spill over. And that is going to be so protective of these fibers. Let's talk about color. Toffee Truffle. The code for this is FS6/30/27. A 6 is a medium dark brown, and that's the base. So this has got a kind of a medium dark brown base, but it is heavily highlighted with kind of auburn and red gold and blonde. There is a lot going on. This is a heavily highlighted piece, very much a salon color. These highlights really brighten up and lighten up the base. So while it is a medium dark brown base, this is not a dark color at all. You can kind of see it's got more of the stripey kind of highlights. So it absolutely looks like you have gone to a salon and paid a lot of money to have a very expensive hair color done to your hair. But very much auburn and gold and red. So this is a very warm color. And if you don't like kind of reds and auburns and golds, then this one's not the color for you. But I know many of you love this color. It's such a popular color. It's really, really, really a favorite. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. Thank you once again to name brand wigs. Please don't forget about them the next time you're in the market for a major name brand. And I'll also link a blog post that I wrote where I talk about color, because color can be really challenging, and I break down the color codes in that post. So make sure to look below and maybe bookmark this video for the future. See you soon. All right, I just pulled her out of the box. It's pretty cloudy right now, which is actually really great lighting for these, because you're not getting any of that direct sunlight glare. Just smooth her out so you can see those highlights. Can't wait to study this one just a little bit more before I review her for you guys, which you've already seen. All right, there you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.